Welcome all of you students. In this example, we are considering this kind of example, right? How we print this kind of asterisk pattern in your console, right? Explain what's the logic behind this and how you identify and practice the logic behind this, right? This is also a for loop example, right? Okay, let's move into the coding part, right? I hope to use previous example, right? In this example I use this pattern, right? This is the last example. You can see one for loop I use, and within two for loops, the first within this inner for loop control how many lines, 20 lines we need, right? 20 lines print, and within this for loop, first for loop make spaces. Spaces mean this area has spaces, right? This area has spaces. Spaces mean first time no spaces, 1 space, 2 space, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. In second for loop, print asterisk, right? First 20 asterisk, 19 asterisk, 18, 17, 16, like that. One asterisk in 20th iteration of this inner for loop, right? Okay. Now I want one more execution after this execution, but it result is decrementing, right? First has 1 asterisk, then second 2 asterisk, 3, 4, 5, like that. And spaces also same, different. First 20 spaces and 1 asterisk. 80, 18 or 19 asterisks and 1 asterisk, like that, right? 2 asterisks, right? For that I just copy this part. That don't worry about this, right? This for loop execute after this for loop. The reason is your program run top to bottom, right? Stop part is execution complete, then move to second part. Within this also same, right? First part will execute first. After completing this, then comes to this, like that way. This for loops also I need to iterate 20 times, so this is okay, right? In first part, actually what we need, first part I need spaces, right? First I need 20 spaces. For that I use J22 greater than minus minus, mean first create 20 spaces, then 90 spaces, 80, like that. Spaces are decrementing. Okay, this is spaces. I use after one spaces line print, in same line I make asterisk. First I need only one asterisk, right? So I change this to 0 less than plus plus. In first line, think about this. I is 0, 0 is less than 20. No, this one. I is 0, 0 assigned to I, mean then now I has 0 value. Then check 0 is less than 20. That is true. Then comes to this line and print 20 spaces. Then J is 0, 0 is less than 0, it's false, right? Then no asterisk print. In first line, no asterisk will print. If you want to print one asterisk, keep this less than or equal, right? Otherwise 1 spaces and okay, one spaces and start your asterisk this way, right? You can see this space. If you want to remove this space, you can use that way, right? Okay, this is the asterisk pattern printing example, right? I think now you have the logic behind this, right? We use two for loops, two inner for loops, right? This for loop has same priority, right? But it has same priority, but your program execute top to bottom. That means after completing this for loop, it will execute this for loop, right? Before completing this for loop, it has two more for loops for one iteration, right? First check these two condition, initialization and condition check, then execute this line, this content, then increment or decrement, again check the condition and execute the content, then again increment or decrement and again check the condition, like this. After finishing this for loop, this will finish, right? Okay, this is the logic behind this, right? Okay, let's commit your changes. Only this class has changed. Example 6 successfully commit. Now want to push your changes into Git, right? It will push, right? Okay, that's it for this lesson. Let's move into next lesson.